Now this is in Space Black Ranger. Hey there toy enthusiasts, welcome back to Toys That Made Us Happy. Today, we have an exciting unboxing review for you. We'll be taking a look at the Hasbro Power Rangers Lightning Collection in Space Black Ranger. Let's get into it. First up, let's unbox the In Space Black Ranger. The figure features an impressive level of detail, with a smooth finish on the suit and an accurate helmet sculpt. The In Space Black Ranger, also known as Carlos, is a skilled and determined member of the Power Rangers and Space Team, always ready to protect the universe from evil forces. The figure has excellent articulation, allowing for a wide range of dynamic poses. The In Space Black Ranger comes with his lunar lance, an astro blaster, and an extra pair of hands. The figure also comes with a swappable civilian head, allowing you to display the Black Ranger unmasked. It's a great addition for those who want to showcase the character's dual identity. In conclusion, the Hasbro Power Rangers Lightning Collection in Space Black Ranger is a fantastic addition to any Power Rangers collection. The figure is highly detailed, well articulated, and comes with a great selection of accessories. So, if you're a fan of the In Space series or just love collecting Power Rangers figures, don't miss out on this amazing figure. Thanks for joining me today on Toys That Made Us Happy. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more toy reviews and unboxings. Until next time, keep collecting and stay happy. Goodbye.